Water is essential for life. It makes up a large part of our bodies and plays a vital role in keeping us healthy. Without water, we wouldn't be able to survive. Our bodies use water for almost all of their functions. About 55 to 60% of an adult human body is made up of water. This water is found in our cells, our blood, and even our bones. Every single part of our body needs water to work properly. Water helps to regulate our body temperature, keeping us cool when it's hot and warm when it's cold. Water also helps to transport nutrients to our cells and remove waste products. It acts as a lubricant for our joints and helps to protect our organs and tissues. Without enough water, our bodies wouldn't be able to function properly. That's why it's so important to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of fluids throughout the day. Dehydration occurs when our bodies lose more water than we take in. This can happen for a number of reasons, such as not drinking enough fluids, sweating excessively, or experiencing diarrhea or vomiting. When we become dehydrated, our bodies don't have enough water to carry out their normal functions. This can lead to a range of symptoms from mild discomfort to life-threatening complications. The severity of dehydration symptoms depends on how much water our bodies have lost. Mild dehydration can cause symptoms like thirst, dry mouth, fatigue, and headache. Moderate dehydration can lead to more serious symptoms such as dizziness, lightheadedness, rapid heartbeat, and decreased urine output. Severe dehydration is a medical emergency that requires immediate attention. Symptoms of severe dehydration include confusion, lethargy, sunken eyes, rapid breathing, and a weak pulse. In extreme cases, severe dehydration can lead to seizures, coma, and even death. Even mild dehydration can have a noticeable impact on our physical and mental performance. When we're dehydrated, we may experience fatigue, reduced concentration, and difficulty thinking clearly. Our physical abilities can also be affected, with dehydration leading to decreased muscle strength, endurance, and coordination. This can make it difficult to perform everyday tasks and increase the risk of accidents and injuries. Dehydration can also take a toll on our mood and emotional well-being. Studies have shown that even mild dehydration can lead to increased feelings of anxiety, tension, and irritability. Dehydration can also make it harder to cope with stress and can worsen symptoms of depression. Chronic dehydration, or not getting enough water over a long period of time, can have serious consequences for our health. Over time, chronic dehydration can increase the risk of developing kidney stones, urinary tract infections, and even kidney failure. It can also contribute to digestive issues such as constipation and heartburn, as well as skin problems like dryness and wrinkles. In severe cases, chronic dehydration can even increase the risk of certain types of cancer. To maintain good health and well-being, it's crucial to make sure we're drinking enough water throughout the day. The amount of water we need can vary depending on factors such as our age, activity level, and climate. However, in general, most adults should aim to drink around 8 glasses of water per day. Staying hydrated is one of the simplest, yet most important things we can do for our overall health.